Wouldn't you love to not have to go to an interview at the US Embassy? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, is how to get an interview waiver and see if you even qualify for an interview waiver. So you will want to stay tuned to learn about what kind of visas qualify for the interview waiver and if you can do it, what you need to do. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Kaushik Ranchod. I'm an immigration attorney that's been practicing immigration law for over 20 years, and we're going to dive into interview waiver tips. Now, as part of the US visa application process, as you may know, you have to attend an in-person interview. Now, this is either at the US consular post, embassy, or consulate. There is a streamlined process available for individuals applying in specific non-immigrant visa categories or applying for a visa renewal within the same non-immigrant category. Of course, you want to avail yourself of this opportunity if you can, because in-person interviews are stressful. You have to go to the interview, you have to wait, oftentimes to have the interview while you're there. Therefore, let's look at whether or not you qualify for waiving the interview. If you believe you qualify for an interview waiver, it's essential to visit your local US consular post website or appointment scheduling platform to understand the requirement. Typically, US consular post will ask you to mail in documents or schedule an appointment to bring them in person. You might be wondering, what are these documents? Some of the documents include the DS-160 confirmation page, a valid passport, prepaid courier packaging for passport document return, the fee receipt, 2 passport style photographs, and the I-797 approval notice. Now, it's very important to note that there are different procedures and different requirements for different consular posts. Additionally, consular officers could also still require in-person interviews in certain cases or because of local conditions. Now let's look at when you may qualify for a waiver. If you're applying for an H-2A or H-2B visa for the first time, or you're applying for other non-immigrant visa classifications, or you previously had a non-immigrant visa in any classification, unless the only previous visa was a B visa, and you're applying within 48 months of your most recent non-immigrant visa's expiration date. You also need to be applying in your country of nationality or residence. You also must have never been refused a visa unless the refusal was overcome or waived, and you are not ineligible or potentially ineligible. So now you know of the possibilities of getting a visa waiver at the US Embassy. Hope this video serves you, and to continue to get updates, make sure you subscribe. By watching this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering the world. Thank you. Bye for now.